All right, today we're at Road America and we are doing an autocross on their karting track. We have a bunch of different cars: Fiat 500e, Mach-E Rally, GR Corolla Automatic, GTI, Ford Explorer ST, and a Mini Cooper, as well as a Ford Maverick Lobo. So should be an entertaining morning. Let's hop in the Fiat 500e and we'll start this off with the smallest, least powerful, but electric car. So this actually might do pretty well in the autocross. We have a few different drive modes here. We will, I think, just engage normal. One will start there. We will disable ESC and see what happens. Things rolling around in the back. It's actually pretty quick for an EV with only 117 horsepower. Skinny little tires on this thing, but it's kind of fun for an autocross. Really pick your lines accurately. Okay, that's it. All right, let's drive the Mach-E Rally. This is always a good time. Michelin Cross Climate 2 tires.
Ready?
I'm ready. All right. Great launch. A lot of understeer with these Cross Climate 2s. But we can mitigate that with some throttle. There we go. Nice. Fun little run there. Okay, we'll just leave this on. I think the Mach-E Rally is the most fun.
Dude, I had a blast. It was sick.
It's so good.
And like the tires, I feel like are not, you know, the grippiest things in the world.
No.
Sliding around.
I might take this out real quick. Yeah. Put it in like track mode or something. I didn't have the right settings last time I drove it.
It was low.
Yeah. GR Corolla, we're gonna select manual mode and see how that treats us. All right, ready? All right, we're just gonna leave this in first for the torque, for the power. Felt pretty fast. That felt pretty fast out there. The Mach-E launches so hard, it's so fun. Alright, we'll leave it there. Alright, I gotta take out the GTI and the Mini and the Lobo. The Ford Maverick Lobo. Kirk's got a big smile on his face. Oh man. Is that thing fun or what? Yeah? All right, Ford Maverick Lobo. Let's see what we got here. we've got some drive modes. Let's select Lobo. Spirited closed course driving, track use only, turns off traction control. Let's maybe even turn that off even more for full advanced track off. Okay. All right, off we go. The 7-speed auto here is great. It just loves to shift. Oh yeah, this does like to rotate. Not bad, Ford Maverick Lobo. That's pretty fun. Oh man, that's funny.
I just sat in this for 10 minutes trying to figure out how to turn traction control on.
Oh my gosh. You wanted to get in this?
No, I was gonna say, am I wrong for thinking the Maverick is the most fun?
It's so fun.
It's so fun.
Yeah, oh, the Golf R's here.
Golf R's here.
We're gonna drive the Mini Cooper and see how it does around the autocross. We're gonna put this in sport mode.
All right, Chris, you're ready, buddy.
All right. Chirping into second. Ooh, this is good. It's nimble. It's got good steering, nice mechanical grip. It's sharp, it's tight. It's front-wheel drive. It's limiting me around a corner because the stability control won't turn off. Okay, there's a time. We got it. Okay.
What a fun track.
Oh, so fun. It's a good time. All right, we're in race mode, which should give us pretty good all-wheel drive distribution. And then we need to turn some things off. Okay. All right, good. Off we go. Sport mode. Oh, the rotation is just perfect. It's so good. Look at that. Okay, that's how it's done in the Golf R. Wow.
Dude, the oversteer.
Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, that's a good time.
That's great.
Into park. Woo! Good job. All right, back to back with the GTI. We'll get a little comparison in here. Gosh, the seat controls in these are always so confusing. You've got manual seat controls for backrest and everything else is mechanical. And then we have to go through a bunch of menus here to turn off traction. Okay, back into sport sport mode. All right. Super quick shifts there from the DSG. Oh, it's definitely the best handling front-wheel drive car here. Feels great. You just can't turn stuff off in these cars. They just rein you in. All right, and there's a lap. Quick little course. All right, now we're gonna drive an Explorer ST. Pretty ridiculous. All right, I think we've driven all the cars. We're gonna go out for one more fun lap in the Mach-E Rally, just because the thing is such a blast. But that was good. I think ultimately it's gonna be between GR Corolla and Golf R, but the Golf R just puts its power down so much better, rotates beautifully. The GR Corolla doesn't really know what gear to be in. What a beast.
Dude, I love that.
I know, it's so good.
It understeers at first, and then if you just floor it,
yep,
it just rotates right back.
Yeah, just drive it with the throttle.
Yeah.
All right, off we go. Yep, that's the most fun. All right, we're back in the Golf R. We're gonna try drift mode, see what happens. There we go, seats locked in. And there we go. Launch control. Let's see if this gives us a little bit better rotation here. Sending a bit more power to that outside wheel. Suspension's stiffer, that's for sure. Come on. Golf R, drift mode. Feels about the same, honestly, as track mode. That's okay. Into park. Still so fast. GR Corolla. Let's see what happens here.
You ready, Chris?
GR Corolla's quick too. It goes about it in a little bit of a different way than the Golf R. Not as brutal, not as immediate. A little bit softer, but that's okay. Still fun. All right, off we go. Little spin, no big deal. Still within the course. All right, Mach-E can play. It's a good time. All right, one last lap in the Mach-E Rally here. We're trying to clean this up a bit.
All the tires are already ruined on this car. It's all your fault. When they say, who did it? I'm going to say, Chris A.
I take full responsibility.
Yeah, I know.
Send me the bill. All right, ready? Wipers.
Dude, so much fun.
So much fun.
Oh. That's awesome.
Oh man. All right, off we go. Drift lap. Wasn't the best one, but it was
That was pretty sick.
it was okay.
Pretty awesome.
Oh man.
Nicely done.
Yeah.
You got some good angle there, though.
Yeah. It was okay.
That was pretty sick.
Yeah.
Doing a whole drift taxi now.
I know. All right, you guys go. Everything's ready. We'll end the day on that.
Yeah.
That was fun.